Hey everybody, we're in Wyoming and we flew here from Thailand to Ontario, California and drove 16 hours to Riverton, Wyoming. And then with my sister and her husband Dale, we came to
Louis Lake Loop up in the Wind River Mountains.
and we're like 9,000 feet elevation, I think, something in that ballpark. And I'm in shorts, but it's a little bit chilly for me being from Thailand. So when we go back to the city, we're going to get better clothing and we're going to come back and do a day of camping or evening, spend the night with a tent and see how it works out.
And we're hoping that on our drive today that we see another black bear or moose and some deer, maybe an elk, and where we're going to fish when we come up camping.
It's had a little rain already up here. Snow is still about a month away. The deer hunting season starts next week. So calm, peaceful up here. Jai's all bundled up. It's for us Thai people, it's a little bit cold here. 64 degrees, I think. I believe we're going up to Ocean Lake today with my sister and brother-in-law. Gonna put the boat in the water and do a little fishing. I didn't get my fishing license, so we're just going along to support and jab and dig at all their failures.
เรือลงไปเทียบท่าแล้วนะคะที่โอเชียนเลคin Wyoming
racing out on the lake. We're cruising out to find a place to go fishing. Driving the boat while my sister and brother-in-law are doing the fishing, trolling. Just started, so there's no fish on board. He wants to troll.
Fish here too.
Yay!
Oh, Jai finally caught her fish too. This was actually the second, but she lost the first one. So she got this one to the boat. We were all excited. That means everybody got one of these little guys today.
It's a big fish.
That's what I said.
How many fish?
Two. There's only two.
Only two? Oh, but big na.
They're in that hole.
Not patient.
Put it in neutral over the
อ่าง
hole.
เก็บน้ำนี่จะเล็กนะคะ เมื่อวานนี้ไปที่เลกโอเชียนเลกเมื่อวานนี้ใหญ่มากเลย จริงๆก็มีปลาเยอะนะคะ แต่ว่าเมื่อวานนี้ตกไม่ได้เลย วันนี้คาดว่าจะ
Very big, isn't it?
โอ้โหโอ้โห
Yeah, you'll need a little net for him.
อ่าเย้
Okay, Jai is gonna catch a fish here right now. I'm gonna just record till she gets one. Well, maybe I won't, because we've already been here an hour or so, and only one fish come on board, and it's a tiny one.
That's he fishing.
We'll lift him up and turn him around.
Do you want to hold him up for a picture? Hold him up for a picture.
Lunch at the marina in Boysen Dam, Boysen Lake Reservoir. Good looking fish and chips, and Carol's having fish tacos, and we're at the Boysen Reservoir Marina,
Yum.
and we're eating
Yum,
fish
yum,
this way
yum.
because we can't catch any. We've been fishing like 5 different times, and we're pretty skunked. Stop playing around. Get him in here. Oh, nice one. It's a pretty nice fish, but he's fighting, not wanting to come in.
Let's fall in the water. Now which side do I go?
This side.
Over here, Dale, over here. Right over here.
I'm trying.
Okay, go over there. It's easier to get him on the other side.
Come on.
All right.
Oh my God, I think he's bigger than mine.
I think so. It's a big one.
Oh, Lordy.
How many?
3.
Wow.
And they are heavy. Oh my God.
Very big. Yeah.
What do you think they weigh? Lander, Wyoming Brewing Company. Having our lunch here today. Right next door is the Gannett Grill. Dale got a French dip with no dip.
Well, this ain't no dip. Oh well.
Oh,
Don't tell him. You
those
need
are
your
sweet
your-
potato fries too.
You wanna try one?
Whoa. And Jai got the hamburger with the fixins and some crisp cut fries.
Dale, don't tell him you need
And
to
I
get your dip.
I got the same thing here.
Oh, this is fine.
On our final day of fishing at Ocean Lake and outside of Riverton, Wyoming, Jai caught the only fish today, the perch. Eating lunch at the Wyoming Ale Works in Casper, Wyoming. Catch up on football, first time in 5 years. Okay, we got the, what did we get?
The special.
Brisket special.
Brisket special. It's got a hamburger, brisket, bacon, and I got the tater tots. Dale got the same thing, except he got some sweet tater fries.
Look at those fried onions on there.
Yeah. Carol got tacos,
Extra napkins.
brisket
Those are gonna be
tacos,
messy, okay?
I am
and
so
I
sorry.
got mozzarella
Have a
sticks.
hot sauce.
This is the Arctic Fox. It's got 2 slide outs on this side. 5th wheel. It's for super cold climates.